Thank you for staying with us. In this Web Tutorial 1, Episode 6, you shall learn the heart of ScratchJr, the basic building blocks of coding. Let's go. Let us now launch ScratchJr from your iPad or Android tablet and open up a new project. Let us wait until both of us are in ScratchJr user interface, like this. We shall begin with the Blue Blocks category. When you first launch ScratchJr, the first block you will see will be the Blue Blocks. The Blue Blocks category is called Motion Blocks. You use motion blocks when you want your character to do something. For example, you want your kitten character to move one step forward to your right. How do you do this? Now this is the script area. This is the place where you add in your code and join them together to make your animations. Now tap on the Move Right motion block and drag it into the script area, like this. In order to see your animations, tap on the Move Right block in the script area. You will see that your kitten character moved one step forward to the right. To see the animation again, tap on the Move Right block. You can also tap on the Reset Character button above to return your character back to the starting point. Next, we will want our kitten character to move right and then left one step. Now tap on your Move Left motion block and drag it into the script area, like this. In order for your kitten character to move right and then left, we need to join the two motion blocks together. Now tap on the left Move motion block and join it with the right Move motion block. Now tap on any of the motion blocks in the script area to run your animation. Did you see that kitten character move from right to left? Awesome. On your own, we shall now insert all of the other motion coding blocks into the script area. Let's tap on the Move Up motion block and drag it into the script area, like this. Next, tap on the Move Down motion block and drag it into the script area. Tap on the Turn Right motion block, Turn Left motion block, Hop motion block, and finally tap on the Go Home motion block and drag it into the script area. Join all of the other motion blocks together and run your animation. As you can see, each motion blocks perform different instructions. At any point of time, if you do not want any of the coding block, you can simply tap on the coding block and drag it outside the script area, like this. Now move on to the yellow blocks. This block category is called the trigger blocks. Why? Well, we use these trigger blocks to activate a character or an animation in your project. Let's begin with the Start on Green Flag block. Now tap on the Start on Green Flag block and drag it into your script area. Since we still have our motion blocks, tap on the Start on Green Flag block and join it with the Move Right block. Let's run our animation. To run your animation, you can also tap on the Start on Green Flag button on top of the screen. Now, let's remove Start on Green Flag from your script area, like this. Tap on your Start on Tab trigger block and drag it into your script area, like this. Now, join your Start on Tab trigger block at the beginning of your coding block, like this. Start on Tab trigger block will start your animation when you tap on your character on stage. Let's try. Tap on the kitten on stage to see what happened. The next trigger block is the Start on Bump trigger block. This block will only work if you have another character on stage. Your animation will only start when a character is touched or bumped by another character. We shall explore more on this block in our character tutorial. The Send on Message trigger block is a special block that you use when you want to send a message to trigger or activate another character's animation script on stage. You can choose to send up to 6 different messages with 6 different color codes. The Send on Message trigger block will only work with another character that uses the same color code with the next trigger block called Start on Message. This is how these two trigger blocks work together. Both two characters must use the same color-coded trigger blocks in order to send and receive messages properly. The next block is the purple block. This block is called the Looks block. In this purple Looks block, you may be able to insert a bubble speech. Say, increase your character size, grow, decrease your character size, shrink, return your character size back to normal, reset size, hide your character on the stage, hide, and show your character on the stage, show. Now I need you to remove all of the coding blocks in your script area like this. We shall now start with the following script. Let's do this together. First, tap on the yellow trigger block. Add a Start on Green Flag into your script area. Tap on the blue motion block. Add a Move Right block into your script area. Finally, tap on the purple Looks block. Add a Say block into your script area. Now, join all these 3 blocks together in a sequence like this. You use the Say Looks blocks to show a special message in the speech bubble. You can even change the words in the speech bubble. Now tap on the text box in the Say Looks block in the script area. Let's change it to hello and followed by your name. Try it. on your own, try out all of the other looks blocks and see the different types of animation effects. Slowly you will get the hang of it. Don't you think that it's fun to do your own animation? We shall now explore the green block. This block is called the sound block. As you can see, you may use the play pop block to add in the pop sound into your animation. Now tap on the play pop block, drag it into your script area, and insert this block right after the move right motion block, like this. Try it. You may even use the play recorded sound block to add in your own voice or sound effects into your code. Just make sure that your iPad or Android tablet sound volume is turned on. Try to use a headset or an earpiece that comes with a built-in microphone. It sounds better. This is the end of part 1. We shall now take a short break. Join us in part 2 when we explore the next block, the orange control blocks.